Hello, my name is David Curfman. I'm the new Chief Engineer and Assistant Commander for Capital Improvements at NAVFAC headquarters. I've been at NAVFAC for over 31 years and enjoyed every minute of it. I started in 1981 as a GS3, measuring cracks on asphalt pavement at Naval Station Norfolk. Since then, I went into private industry, got my degree from Virginia Tech in structural engineering, and then Old Dominion in coastal structures. I've done environmental and I've been a part of public works and have been at headquarters for 5 years now, first in public works and now in capital improvements. Really looking forward to be part of the engineering that goes on at NAVFAC in a much greater depth. Enjoyed being part of it in the years that I have, and I look forward to many more years of being your advocate and your supporter in the field. So this year, at February 17th to the 21st, is National Engineers Week. The theme this year is Pioneers in Progress. You may remember a young engineer in 1905 who got a degree, he's 25-year-old from Cornell, went out to work for a paper company and was provided a challenge of providing a way to remove humidity from the air because it was coiling up the paper. Well, Willis Carrier came up with a new idea that was later called air conditioning and has since changed the world. He was definitely a pioneer of progress. In the mid-1800s, in 1867, John Roebling proposed an idea to build a bridge across the East River. Unfortunately, he got under construction. He died of tetanus, but his son took up the project. Unfortunately for him, a few years later, he also got the bends, didn't know what the medical problem was at the time, but he was bedridden for the rest of his life. His wife, Emily Roebling, then carried the project to fruition. For the next 11 years, she took the technology from his head, she learned it, applied it, and took it to the workers, the 10,000 workers on the Brooklyn Bridge, and built that bridge as the general project manager. So today, at the time, it was the longest cable-stayed bridge in the world and the tallest structures in New York City. Roebling Wire has since gone on to provide the wire for Otis elevators and Panama Canal, etc. Another pioneer of progress. This year, we're going to have the largest construction that we've ever had. We'll be awarding over $9 billion in construction contracts this year. We have huge projects at China Lake to repair the earthquake damage, at Camp Lejeune to repair hurricane damage, and many other locations across the world. We're going to need you to put forth a full court press to provide this increased capability and lethality to our warfighters. So this year, as we embark on could be our greatest engineering construction year ever, I ask you not to forget the things that are really important to us: excellence, agility, and speed to provide the lethality and capability that the Navy needs. Thanks, and happy Engineers Week.